Thank you for taking a look at the Eclipse high-powered portable extractor. This video will show you the benefits of the Eclipse over a truck mount and why truck mounts now have the smallest market share in the carpet cleaning industry. The Eclipse high-powered portable extractor has been leading the way in portable carpet cleaning machines for over 15 years. Known in the cleaning industry for its unparalleled power, Cleancraft Products Incorporated, the manufacturer of the Eclipse, has upped its game again. Starting in 2018, Cleancraft has packed the Eclipse with additional features and technology to make the Eclipse even better. This online video will not only show you some of the great features and technology, but will even show you how the Eclipse is guaranteed to grow your business. Stay tuned to the end of this video because you will not want to miss this exciting bonus material that will help you grow your business. The Eclipse is one of the most powerful portable extractors on the market. Our unique slide-out tray technology allows us to fit more vacuum motors in our machines than the competition. Our 3 and 4 vacuum motor models gives you true truck mount power without the inconveniences and high costs of a truck mount. In fact, let's look at why many opt for the Eclipse versus a truck mount. Less upfront costs. The Eclipse will save you many thousands of dollars upfront versus a truck mount. Take your savings and invest it in your business, not overpriced equipment. Less ongoing costs. The upfront cost is only one small piece of the pie with a truck mount. When you own a truck mount, expect to pay way more in ongoing costs, such as insurance rates. Insurance companies know the added risk and dangers when running a truck mount because of unattended equipment running outside while you're cleaning. You will pay for this. Gas costs. Yep, don't forget your truck mount sucks gas. That's many dollars an hour going down the drain. Maintenance costs. Truck mounts are even worse than vehicles. They require a lot of maintenance and record keeping. Repair costs. Hopefully you know a great mechanic, because any little repair seems to take a ton of money to fix and days to service. Plus, only certain people know how to fix your brand of truck mount. The Eclipse removes many of these ongoing costs. Not only are parts way cheaper, but you don't need to be a mechanic to fix. The Eclipse was designed to be easy to maintain and repair. Our slide-out feature and quick-release parts make repairs quick and simple. So any way you look at it, the Eclipse will save you tons of money over the life of your business. Cleaning opportunities. You can actually lose work with a truck mount. Here's how. Closed-door policies. Many commercial facilities have closed-door policies and require the door to be shut and locked after hours. How are you going to clean these commercial accounts with a truck mount? The Eclipse can be wheeled right in and the door can be shut and locked. Highrises. This is without saying. A truck mount cannot do high-rises or tall buildings. Apartments and condos. Many truck mount operators use their truck mount on 1- and 2-story apartments. That is until their first accident. Hoses dragged through the front entryway and down the halls cause a trip hazard, especially for the elderly and kids. Hoses hanging from the patio outside can be blown around by the wind and bang into outdoor patio furniture, grills, etc. Damage costs reputation and money. The Eclipse has high-performance rear wheels and is designed with optimal center of gravity to more easily dolly the machine up the stairs. Now you can go right inside the apartment you are cleaning with no worries outside. Time and convenience. The Eclipse will actually save you time and be more convenient than a truck mount. Here are a couple ways how. Open doors. Customers don't like having hoses pulled through their front door. It lets bugs and hot and cold temperatures in. It also gives opportunity for their pets to escape. The Eclipse can be brought in and parked in the foyer. You don't have to worry. You can run up to 100 feet of hose with the Eclipse, so you don't even need to bring the machine up and down the stairs in the home. Managing hoses. Dragging hoses through the yard to clean a home can not only be a pain, but can damage landscaping. Not to mention, on bad weather days, dragging mud into the home. So much for only cleaning the upstairs bedrooms. Looks like you're cleaning the stairs for free, too. Wastewater. The EPA controls just about every body of water, including some puddles. It is against the law to dispose in rainwater sewers because these lead to rivers, streams, and aquatic life. With a truck mount, you will be wasting time driving to a designated water dump site to dump your dirty water each day. The Eclipse wastewater simply dumps into a toilet. Let the septic or city wastewater treatment plant take care of the disposal for you. Time. This brings us to time. Many people believe a truck mount is quicker than a portable because they don't fill and empty in a home or business. However, when you factor in the time to fill a freshwater tank in the morning, empty dirty water in the afternoon, including travel time to the dump site to dump the water, and mix your chemical jugs, truck mounts can actually be more than double the wasted time versus filling and emptying a portable. As you can see with all these points, it is actually much more convenient and you save a boatload of time using the Eclipse over a truck mount. Greening your business. Let's face it, green is cool. Your customers care about their health and the environment. Why not do something about it? Stop spitting out pollution with your truck mount. The Eclipse uses cleaner electric energy that is more preferable. Not only is the Eclipse a better choice for many over a truck mount, but because of its dominating power and its unique features and technology, it's an obvious choice versus other portables as well. Let's look at some of the features of the Eclipse. Power. The 3 and 4 vacuum motor models both rival truck mount power, not like other so-called high-powered portables with only 2 vacuum motors. Pump pressure options. The Eclipse is sold with either a 220 psi pump or our extremely popular 500 psi adjustable model to give you the powerful spray you need for any cleaning task. Dual heating system. The Eclipse gives you not only one heater, but 2 heaters in the machine. This dual heater gives you power flexibility. By code in America, all homes are required to have a 20 amp circuit in the kitchen and laundry room. However, if you are in an old home not up to code, don't worry, you can always turn one of the heater switches off and run the heater at half power. This will drop your amperage pull and give you the ability to run on a 15 amp circuit. Other machines with only one heater only allow the heater to be on or off. There is no option like this. Back placement of hoses. The Eclipse was designed with logic. Both the vacuum hose and the solution hose connections are located on the back of the machine. Many machines' hoses and power cords come out of all different sides of the machine. The Eclipse conveniently locates everything on the back. Switches on the handle. Why bend over and reach switches or get them accidentally kicked on or off? All the on-off switches on the Eclipse are located right on the handle for easy access. Circuit indicator light. Because of its power, the Eclipse has 2 power cords. However, the Eclipse comes with smart circuitry that confirms that you are plugged into separate circuits. Simply push the circuit indicator light button and a light comes on to indicate you're good to go. Dump hose. Most extractors use a liftgate to dump the dirty water. If you've ever used a portable with a liftgate, you know the leaking problems that occur. Dirt and grit get caught in the grooves of the liftgate, preventing a complete seal. This not only causes dripping of dirty water, but you lose suction power as well. The Eclipse has a dump hose to easily dump the dirty water into a bucket or toilet. The hose also creates a better seal to prevent leaking and suction loss. Pump float switch. Higher pressure pumps like a 500 psi pump don't like to run dry. Running these types of pumps dry can cause pressure problems and cracking of seals. We have all been there before. You weren't paying attention and ran out of water. You look down and notice your wand stopped spraying water and is now spraying air. The Eclipse has a level switch in the solution tank that automatically shuts off the pump if you run out of water. This can save your pump. Drop-in dry filter. You know you've done it before. Push back the couch to find tons of dirt, so you pull off the vacuum hose and suck it up. However, did you know that the wet filter on your portable extractor is not made for dry particle? Dry particle will go right through the wet filter and build up in your vacuum motors. The Eclipse comes with a drop-in dry filter for protection against this. Simply drop in the dry filter when you want to use the machine as a dry vacuum. This will prevent any dry particle from entering your vacuum motors. Easy maintenance. Every machine will have a problem one day. However, you may spend hours inside other portables trying to figure out where the leak is coming from. Not with the Eclipse. The Eclipse slide-out tray design allows you to run the machine while you can visibly see the inside guts in action. Now you can easily identify a problem and access it to fix. You're in luck! Starting in 2018, we've made the Eclipse even better with new enhancements and features. Higher base unit. We've made the black base on the Eclipse 2 inches higher for even easier slide-out access. Forced venting system. Our Eclipse is high-tech. We have 4 fans on this machine to keep the inside cool. This can help provide a longer lifespan on the internal components. If the technology is good enough for a high-end computer, then it's good enough for our Eclipse. Reroute Bypass technology. The Eclipse is the first and only extractor in the market to have this technology. Have you ever been out of commission on a job because you sprung a leak or your pump went down? What if we told you your Eclipse has a contingency plan built in? Our Reroute Bypass technology built into every Eclipse has the ability to reroute water from the solution tank to a separate output connection. When used in conjunction with the optional accessory called the Eclipse Bypass Pump Box, you are back in business without having to stop and fix your problem. This technology saves face in front of customers and allows you to finish your jobs. See the other video on our website for more information about the Eclipse Bypass Pump Box. Improved rear wheels. We have upgraded the rear wheels to heavy-duty, non-marking wheels that not only give the Eclipse added strength when going up and down stairs and removing the machine from a vehicle, but the slightly wider wheels give the machine sturdier maneuverability as you push the machine around. Quick exchange parts. We made the Eclipse even easier to maintain. Not only do we have two ways to access the inside with our flip open and slide out tray access, but also made the main components inside the Eclipse easy to fix and replace. Like plug-and-go electrical connections. All replacement parts are sent already pre-wired. Simply disconnect your existing wire and reconnect the new one. Easy to remove vacuum motors. Simply undo the screws on the hose clamps and remove. Easy to remove pump because of slide-out tray access. And we even use easy to remove wing nuts instead of bolts for the harder to access electrical relay cover. All of these intelligent build components make the Eclipse maintenance friendly. Wand improvement. We have even upgraded the wand on the Eclipse to a stainless steel 2-jet wand that uses T-jets and filters to keep your wand jets clean and clogged free. This is no cheapo wand. This high quality wand comes standard with your Eclipse along with 25 feet of high quality crush-proof vacuum hose and 3000 PSI rated solution hose. New Rapid Connect auto features. You can even fully automate your Eclipse extractor with our auto dump and autofill chemical feed options. Our new Rapid Connect auto dump and autofill chemical feed options are aftermarket options that can snap right onto the Eclipse extractor. This allows you to fully automate your Eclipse by dumping dirty water while you clean without stopping to empty. It also allows you to keep a constant supply of cleaning solution in your solution tank by ratioing chemical and water as it automatically fills your solution tank. And since the Rapid Connect auto features are aftermarket, you can even purchase these down the road if you ever need them. They just snap right onto your Eclipse. Wow! The Eclipse is a pretty awesome machine. As you can see, the Eclipse not only provides power that is unmatched by other portable extractors and rivals many truck mounts, but it provides features and technology that professional carpet cleaners used to only dream about. Plus, look at the price of this machine. As you can see, this advanced machine sells at a very competitive price. In fact, it is actually lower than many portable extractors offering way less power and features. How can CleanCraft do this? Simple. We not only sell this machine, but we build this machine right here in the USA, in our Indiana facility. We sell direct to you and do not sell through distributors. This allows us to sell a higher quality machine at a competitive price. Everything already listed in this video makes a great case for you purchasing the Eclipse. But wait, there's more. We have some exciting news to share with you. Remember how we told you at the beginning of this video that the Eclipse can actually help you grow your business? In fact, we guarantee it. You ask how? Well, you have probably heard that a picture is worth 1,000 words. We're going to tell you that a video is worth 1,000,000 words. We have developed a marketing video you can use on your website that will tell your customers why they should use your company for carpet cleaning. You can see this online video commercial on our website along with video usage guidelines. Simply put, not only will the power and features of the Eclipse allow you to provide better, quicker, and cleaner results, but combined with our online video commercial, your sales can improve as well. So what are you waiting for? You have found the ultimate extractor. Take advantage of over 15 years of power, market experience, customer feedback, and recent improvements in design and functionality by purchasing the Eclipse high-powered portable extractor today. For more information or to purchase the Eclipse, please visit our website at www.cleancraft.com or give us a call at 800-525-3261.